Oh my god. So this is a plant that was almost that died, okay? Like all its leaves fell off. And I just kept it and I just kept watering it because there was literally only one leaf here and I threw that leaf away today because it was almost like it fell off. But as you can see, the stem has remained green. So I always had hope that something new will grow on it, and it did. So I'm very happy. So this has been happening for I think for 2 months now. Okay, maybe not 2 months, maybe a month this has been coming. So like look at it, there's a whole fresh patch of leaves. I'm so happy. So this plant is reviving itself and I am so glad. But all this time I thought that this one was dead because this one literally is brown, it didn't have this green tinge. So I thought, I mean, I wasn't gonna remove it and throw it because it's like in the mud, right? So I kept watering it for this, and today I see this. Oh my god, can you see it? Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh my god, okay, there's more. Look, there's one here. Okay, my finger isn't going there. Okay, there's one here, there's one here. Oh my god, can you see? It's coming out of all of these places. Oh my god, this plant was never dead. It was just, I think it was just tired of life. Look, there's more. Look, there's here. And there's here. Can you see this? Oh my god, this plant is coming back to life. I don't know why it died in the first place. I'm so confused with plants. Like, it was such a beautiful plant when I bought it, and it also lasted for a long time. And then all the leaves just slowly fell off, and then it was completely barren. And now all of these are coming back. This is so surprising. I really thought this was dead, like I genuinely thought it was dead, and I thought if I cut it and throw it off, it'll be okay and it'll give this one space to grow. Luckily I never actually did anything because look, it's coming back to life. The green is coming back. Wow. I mean, I wish it never, ow, I can't bend anymore. I wish it never happened in the first place, because like I spent money on, oh my god, there is more. I have to, oh my god, I'm so happy. I'll show you, wait. So I was saying that, yeah, I wish that it never happened in the first place because I spent a lot of money on all of these plants and so many of them just died, They stayed for like 2 weeks and then all of them just started like dying, and now I just have empty pots everywhere. So I'm just glad I didn't get rid of this one when it was dying, and I just kept watering it. I wasn't even watering it with the hope of plants coming in it. I was just watering it because it was next to another plant that needed watering, so why not, And it came. Like, even this used to be a really nice flower plant. I don't know what flower. There were purple flowers that came out of this. Gone to the dogs. There were many more. I had a rose plant. I had some other flower. I had some really nice creepers that were supposed to grow. I had a purple leaf plant. Everything went. Anyway, so the next thing I'm very excited to show you is I planted the sunflower seeds in this pot. And look, oh my god, and look here. Oh. I'll just get the bell and come. Okay, I'm back. Basically, my sunflower seeds are growing and I'm very happy. So fucking noisy. They didn't let me sleep only. Since 6 o'clock they've been doing this shit. Anyway, so I only sowed like 4 or 5 seeds. See here also. Can you see it? There's a seed here and it's gotten a little green because it's gonna grow. And I made the soil really loose because that's what Shilpa said I should do. Anyway, so more seeds are there. 4 or 5 seeds are there. I did not plant many so that they don't like crowd each other and stuff. So once this grows a little bit, I guess I'll take it and let one grow in each pot. I'll put it in another pot. In this I've put pomegranate seeds. Lol. I don't think it's gonna grow, but I just did it anyway because I didn't want to eat the pomegranate. So, and I put those muskmelon seeds. I should actually make this a vlog about my plants now that I've started. But okay, let's do that. Although it's really fucking noisy. Sorry, I keep changing the dimensions of this video. Anyway, so when I had COVID, some people had given me muskmelon. and I really didn't want to eat fruit. I don't like fruit, so I didn't eat any of it. I mean, I did eat some of it, and then I took the whole seeds of the fruit and I took the fruit and I just threw it in a pot because I thought, who knows, maybe either it'll fertilize the soil or it'll grow. And it grew. It actually, let me show it to you. That's the muskmelon seeds. It's a creeper. So look at how it's growing up. It's so pretty. I hope it takes over the whole window and creeps over the whole window and it looks so damn pretty. But then I guess at some point it might become too big and we might have to remove it. So it's gonna take a while for that. So these are my ajwain plants that Anisha had brought from somewhere, but she never took them with her. So they're here, and I love them because they're so pretty. It's like a miniature tree. There's wooden bark, but at the same time it's so small and it has such pretty leaves. So, I dropped the phone. But it's so healthy also. Like our neighbors who live there, they know that we have the plant because they can see it. So one day they just came and asked if they could borrow some ajwain leaves because it's good for cold or something. So let me show you what else random shit I've planted. I planted dragon fruit because one day auntie gave me dragon fruit and I didn't want to eat dragon fruit. So I took the whole slice and I put it in a pot. And this is how it looks now. It's quite pretty, This is a random plant. I don't know what it's called. But this is one of the plants that actually survived my shopping spree. I don't know what these extra leaves that are growing are. Some weeds are growing there. This is my succulent, which I think is actually dead because it just comes it's not even attached at the bottom. So I don't know. I just don't have good luck with Namiki. I just don't have good luck with plants. That's the money plant up there. It's not growing very well, so I've just put it up there so Timothy can't eat it because he's eaten quite a few. This is another money plant that seems to be growing very well. But Timothy's eaten a couple of leaves. But there are new leaves coming, so I'm very happy. I think every week one leaf comes. I wish it was faster, but it's quite slow. I hope it grows and falls on this or whatever. Here's another money plant. It used to be on the windowsill, but then Timothy used to eat it a lot. This also is having new leaves come out. From there, from here, can you see this? Inside also there are some new leaves, so I think this is kind of new. This one's a little new. So yeah, see, he's eaten all of this, so I had to take it away from the window. Here, see, he's eaten the whole leaf only, man. Asshole he is. Anyway, so it looks good here, and I bought it because it was in this pretty pot. I didn't have to spend on a new pot, and it wasn't one of these ugly looking pots. So that's my money plants. This is a plant that Anisha gave me. She just gave me a cutting actually in a bottle of water, and she said wait till the roots grow, and then once the roots grow put it in mud. So the roots grew. Now it's in mud. I hope it grows nicely. It's an ugly looking pot and I don't want it to be in my kitchen on display, but I don't have another pot for now. This is my succulent. It's very, very old. It's 2 years old now. It's pretty, it's nice, but I don't know if it's not growing very well these days, so I don't know. But look at it, they've all grown on this. Oh my god, there's a new plant coming on it. Pretty cool. This is a money plant that Anisha gave me. I think she didn't do the grafting well because no roots have formed. So she hasn't given me, and because of that no new leaves have come. So I don't think this is going to become a plant. I think this is a showpiece now, unfortunately. This is Aishwarya doesn't have many plants at the moment. This is my new philodendron. I got it from the new nursery guy near my lane, thanks to Anisha. His name is Phil. I don't usually name plants, but Okay, that one has a name now. And the last bit. Oh no, I forgot to show you my toilet wale plants. Wait, I'll go back. This is some more money plant. Another money plant. You know, I don't know what this is. I don't know what this plant is, but it's growing, so I let it grow. We'll find out maybe in a few days or a few weeks what it is. This used to be a money plant that was in water, but it was not growing in water, so I put it in the soil. That one used to be part of the kitchen ka, was growing out of the kitchen ka money plants. I just cut and put it in mud. What are you doing? There's literally nothing there. Show. क्या है वहाँ पे? क्या है वहाँ पे? कुछ नहीं है लल्लू. Okay, my throat is starting to hurt, so I'm gonna show you my bathroom. Oh wait, I forgot to show you these. So those are there because Timmy fucking eats them, and he eats them a lot. Like, it's his favorite plants to eat. If you look at it closely, not even one of them. Can you see? All of them are bitten. Can you see? Can you see? All of these have holes. This though isn't even a leaf. This also is not a leaf because it's just half a leaf. This also, look at the state of it, yeah. Look at it. It used to be so pretty. It used to have like pretty leaves everywhere with holes in them. This asshole has gone and eaten all of it. So now it's up there where he cannot eat them. And thankfully they are growing there. I was a little concerned if they would grow there or not because so much noise in this house now. Yeah, I was concerned if it would grow because it's away from the sunlight. It's not in direct sunlight. But you know what I've realized, and I may be wrong, but I've realized that if I keep plants with other plants, they grow better. It's like they have company and they have friends and they have a social life, so they want to grow. So I keep all the plants that I'm isolating from this boy. I make sure to keep it with something else. So I hope this plant is talking to this plant and will then talk to this plant and is talking to this plant and is talking to these plants. These are all cuttings from other money plants in the house. Oh no, this one's dying. I hope this grows. Like, I know it's a good cutting because new leaves keep coming. Like, look at this. Can you see this part? It's gonna be a new leaf. Even this might be a new leaf. But then it grows and then it falls off. So I don't know. I need to give it some time. The last. Bye, Tima. There's no bye with him. He'll come immediately. See? I knew you'll come. My last plants are these. This was also a poor victim of Timiki's hunger. You can see all these leaves he's eaten. Can you imagine how pretty this would have been if he didn't eat them? They would all be like this. Like this. So pretty, and they would all like fall. This is a spider plant. But he ate all of them, man. I know he enjoys eating so much, so I actually want to give him a plant which he can eat. But this is so pretty, I don't want to give him this. So yeah, this will grow. It will look nice. It's supposed to be like a hanging plant, so because all of this just falls and like looks pretty. What do you want, Baba? I'm showing them your antiques only. This is another money plant cut from some other money plant. This one's actually growing well. It didn't have all these roots when I put it in, so all these roots are new. Like all these small white ones are new. And see, there's a new leaf coming. Yay! So it's a good cutting. Actually, there's two money plants here. One is this one, but I don't think this is gonna grow. So yeah, but it's still there. So that if it has to go, it can. This one's growing, so this is good. And this is my jade plant. This jade plant actually is very funny. It was dying in the balcony for some reason. I don't know why. It was like going yellow and shit. Now it's not dying, so I'm very happy. Oh, I forgot. These are the two last plants, I guess. Money plants. I've had these since like 2018, since we moved here. I grew them, but they haven't grown as much as one would think in like 3 years. or like 2.5 years or whatever. And like some of the leaves are going brown and shit, so I don't know. But it looks pretty here even if it's a showcase. Actually, it's not a showpiece because like this leaf is new. So new leaves are coming. It's just really slow. And oh my god, don't die please. It's just pretty. I like the way this looks. Isn't it pretty? Anyway, so that's my plant tour. I don't think you can hear me because there's so much noise. But this was an impromptu vlog. It was not supposed to be a vlog, but okay, bye. Got to show you the last 3 plants. Some money plant graftings over there. Thank you, Harshal, for the fish bowl. It has a plant in it now, which I hope will grow. All these plants were not really growing, so they've been kept together in detention. I hope they grow. But yeah, I hope that's all the plants. Otherwise, I'll keep forgetting what I'm showing and I'm not showing, so I don't know. Bye.